What if I told you a bird that looks like a dinosaur is still alive today? Meet the Shoebill. This giant bird can grow up to 5 feet tall and has a massive beak strong enough to catch fish, snakes, and even baby crocodiles. But its strangest ability is this. It can stand perfectly still for hours, silently waiting before attacking its prey with incredible speed. And instead of singing, Shoebills communicate by clattering their beaks, creating a sound like a machine gun. No wonder people call it the bird that time forgot. Would you dare stand in front of this living dinosaur?